Hello, welcome to Alan Chong Idea Art. Today, I will demonstrate the SPM question number 2. Let us come to read through the question first before I start. Question number 2. Seorang pemuzik jalanan sedang bermain gitar di suatu sudut berjalan kaki. Di sisinya terdapat sebuah topi yang telah lusuh. Di dalamnya terdapat beberapa helai wang kertas dan wang siling bertaburan. This question very interesting. Those who are very good in human drawing, you should try this out. Just a street guitar performance on a pedestrian corner. Beside him was a warm head, and inside the head have several pieces of paper money and ceiling money scattered around. Done. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I hope my video can help you to improve your drawing skill. Please write down your comment and suggestions. See you again. Goodbye.